Imagine buying two pizzas for $600 million. Sounds insane, right? But that actually happened. And it was not just any pizza order, it was the first real-world Bitcoin transaction. This moment marked the beginning of a financial revolution, a digital currency that started as an experiment and ended up shaking the world's economy. So, how did Bitcoin go from being a joke to a trillion-dollar asset? From being laughed at to being adopted by banks and governments? Let's dive into the wild history of Bitcoin. The year was 2008. The world was in crisis. Banks were collapsing. Governments were bailing them out. People were losing their life savings. And then, out of nowhere, a mystery figure appeared. Someone or a group calling themselves Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The idea? A new kind of money, one that did not need banks, governments, or middlemen. No one could print more of it. No one could freeze your account. No one needed to be trusted because the system ran itself. Then, in January 2009, Bitcoin was born. The first ever Bitcoin block, called the Genesis block, was mined, and Satoshi left a hidden message inside. The Times, the 3rd of January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. A clear statement. The financial system was broken. Bitcoin was the solution. At first, Bitcoin was just an experiment. No one really knew what to do with it. It had no real-world value. Until one man changed that. Meet Laszlo Hanyecz, a programmer who, in May 2010, made history. He posted an offer online. I'll pay 10,000 Bitcoin for two pizzas. A guy accepted. He ordered two Papa John's pizzas and got 10,000 BTC in return. At the time, that Bitcoin was worth just $40. Today, it's worth over 600 million DPLRs. That's right, the most expensive pizzas in history. And just like that, Bitcoin became real money. Bitcoin was no longer just an experiment. It had real value. And people started using it, but not all of them had good intentions. In 2011, a website called Silk Road launched, a dark web marketplace where you could buy, well, just about anything. Drugs, weapons, fake IDs, all paid for in Bitcoin. For the first time, Bitcoin was in the spotlight, but for all the wrong reasons. In 2013, the FBI shut down Silk Road. Its founder, Ross Ulbricht, was arrested. Bitcoin now had a reputation. It was seen as the currency of criminals, but that was just the beginning. Bitcoin's journey has been insane. A roller coaster of booms, crashes, and comebacks. 2013 Bitcoin hits $1,000 for the first time. People start paying attention. But then, a massive crash. It drops 80%. 2017, the first Bitcoin mania. Prices soar to $20,000. Everyone wants in. Then another crash. Bitcoin drops to $3,000. 2020 to 2021. This time, things are different. Tesla starts accepting Bitcoin. Major banks and institutions start investing. El Salvador makes Bitcoin legal money. Bitcoin reaches an all-time high of $69,000 in 2021. But once again, it crashes. So, is Bitcoin dead? Not even close. For years, experts called Bitcoin a scam. It's fake money. It's a bubble. Only criminals use it. But now, the biggest financial institutions are buying in. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is launching Bitcoin investment funds. Countries like El Salvador are using Bitcoin as legal currency. Big banks are offering Bitcoin trading to clients. Bitcoin went from a nerdy experiment to a trillion-dollar financial asset, and even governments can't ignore it anymore. Bitcoin is powerful, but it is not perfect. It uses a lot of energy. Bitcoin mining consumes as much electricity as entire countries. It's slow and expensive. Transactions take longer than Visa or MasterCard. Governments do not like it. Some countries, like China, have banned Bitcoin mining. It is insanely volatile. Prices can drop 50% in months. So, will Bitcoin fail? Or is this just part of its evolution? The truth is, Bitcoin has been declared dead over 400 times, yet somehow, it always survives. So, where does Bitcoin go from here? Some say it will replace gold as the world's best store of value. Others believe Bitcoin could hit millions per coin as more people adopt it. New tech, like the Lightning Network, could make Bitcoin as fast as regular cash. One thing is certain, Bitcoin is not going away. It's changed the world forever. And who knows? Maybe one day we will all be using Bitcoin instead of dollars. Bitcoin started as an idea, a way to fix the broken financial system. Today, it's a revolution. So the next time you order pizza, maybe think twice before paying with Bitcoin. Want more mind-blowing crypto stories? Click the next video now.